What's going on YouTube? Thanks for clicking the video. Today we're going to be doing a GoPro Max mounting on a motorcycle video. I just picked up this GoPro, so I haven't been able to test it out just yet, but we're going to pick 5 mounting positions on this supermoto and we'll see which one ends up being the best. I apologize if none of them look good because this is the first time we're doing this. Let's go ahead and choose some mounting positions. We're going to go ahead and put one here on the fender, which is going to be pretty floppy. I don't think that's going to work very well. We're going to put one here on the number plate. We have a bar mount, which we'll go over in a second. And the bar mount we're going to put on the handlebars. We'll put on the rear slider. And we'll put it on the round bar. Apologize if there's a lot of noise. We're in the lot today. People are just getting here, just starting to ride. Bikes are about to start. But yeah, let's go ahead and take a look at the attachments that we have. So with the GoPro Max, we're going to have this Mob Armor. Mob Armor is the brand. They make this bar, claw or clamp. We're going to use this, like I said, to mount on the rear peg. We're going to try the round bar, and we're going to try the handlebars, probably in the middle or off to the side. Then we have our standard GoPro mount. The GoPro mount is going to go right here on the number plate and also here on the fender. Again, fender's pretty floppy. It's probably not going to look great. And last but not least, we have this extension, which I think we'll also add to this bar mount to try to give ourselves a little more distance for the Max. And then at the end, we'll know which one of these setups is better for how I've set it up. All right, let's see. Which spot are we gonna hit first? Let's go ahead and use the regular GoPro mounts. We're gonna use the fender. Yeah, fender will be the first spot. So here it is. This is gonna be riding the fender. We got to look at the fender. We're going to go ahead and try it right here on the number plate. Just mounted this today. Hopefully the camera does not fall because I don't want to break my new Max. Let's check it out. awesome, no failures. We're gonna go ahead and try the rear slider or peg and slider. And we're gonna get the mount this direction. We'll probably do some stoppies, we'll do some wheelies, we'll see how that looks. Riding shots. Let's get to it. Next shot is the handlebar. We're gonna go ahead and put it on the handlebar with the extension because I think without the extension it's gonna be a little too close. Okay, here we go with the Amazon extension. We'll go ahead and put a link in the description for this extension. We're gonna go ahead and test out the extension and see how well it works. It's pretty stable. See if it ends up falling down or how the footage looks. We're gonna take it on the street, run it back and forth, and then we'll do some wheelies and some stoppies and see how well it holds up and what the footage looks like. Here we go. Next spot we're gonna try is on the rear set. Now I have these aftermarket 50 stunt rear sets. You can use a stock rear set also if you have a bar mount or a different style of mount. We're just gonna take a look and see what this view is gonna look like while riding, while doing a stoppie, and then probably a wheelie as well. So again, that's the Mob Armor bar mount. Give that a try, and we're gonna see how it goes right here. Here we go. The next mounting spot is going to be the round bar. Now, obviously, if your bike doesn't have a round bar, you can use a flat plate like this one, and you can just set that on your rear fender behind the passenger seat if you have a passenger seat, or if you have a cowl, you can put the cowl on. We're going to go ahead and try this 360. We'll get some wheelies, we'll get some stoppies. Yeah, so here it is. Alright, we decided to add one more location right here on the front axle slider on the front wheel. We'll see what it looks like when we're doing wheelies. We'll be able to do the full 360. We'll just do some sit down, some stoppies. I don't think the stoppie is going to look good, but yeah, let's go ahead and give it a try. There you have it. That's the GoPro Max mount on a motorcycle video. Hopefully we got some good angles for you today, give you some good ideas on mounting on your own motorcycle. Let's recap. We did the front axle slider, the front fender, the number plate, the handlebar mount with the extension, the rear slider, the rear subcage, and the round bar. Again, hopefully those gave you guys some videos. I know your bike's gonna be set up probably completely different than mine, so just get creative and leave a comment down below. Let us know what you've done with your bike. Like, subscribe, and it really helps us out. Thanks for watching.